Welcome to our channel. Here's a simple yoga routine for weight loss. Remember to combine this routine with a balanced diet and regular cardiovascular exercise for the best results. Sun salutations are a series of yoga poses that help to warm up the body and improve flexibility. Perform 5-10 rounds of sun salutations to begin your practice. Number 1. Mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet together, palms at your heart center. Take a few deep breaths. Number 2. Upward salute. Inhale, raise your arms overhead, arch your back slightly, and look up. Number 3. Forward fold. Exhale. Fold forward at your hips, reaching your hands toward the floor or your shins. Number 4. Half forward fold. Inhale, lift your torso halfway, extending your spine forward. Number 5. Plank pose. Exhale. Step or jump back to a plank position, holding your body in a straight line. Number 6. Low plank. As you exhale, lower your body down into a push-up position. Number 7. Upward facing dog. Inhale, roll over your toes, arch your back, and lift your chest while keeping your thighs off the ground. Number 8. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Lift your hips up and back, forming an inverted V shape with your body. Discover the science of effortless weight loss. Shedding those extra pounds and saying goodbye to belly fat has never been this natural. Dive into our transformative video on sustainable weight loss strategies and unveil the secrets to a healthier you. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please keep this video in thumbs up, share, comment, and subscribe my channel